drilling, few things to keep in mind. You've got to drill straight, perpendicularly and horizontally, so line up your drill. Unless of course you do need to go in for a reason at an angle. Don't press too hard, don't put too much force when drilling into bricks or concrete, and use a good quality drill. If you press too hard, the drill is not going to last. This drill has lasted me 40 years, and yeah, I normally take care not to press too hard when I'm drilling. If you're in a hurry and you press too hard, it's going to reduce the life of the drill. Of course, you do have to get a good quality drill, and yeah, that's about it. Don't do it too hard, keep still, keep steady, and that should work.